Good morning everyone, welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's August 19, Monday. Well, kind of ugly close on weekly. I don't like what I see there, but acceptable, nothing we can do about that. Morning Miku, morning Kos, morning Shogun, Stefan, Geo. So, you can see indecision candle again here on weekly on Bitcoin. Not the best close, but well, what we can do. We have 1, 2, 3 candles below 60k. And look at this tail. It's damn long, you can see from 58 to 49. And we don't have a proper retest here. We'll have to retest that? Yeah, probably we'll have to retest it. I don't know if this week, next week, maybe later. We don't know, but week like this needs a retest. If you don't believe me or you think it's not usual, well, look back. Even here, look. Big tail, big tail, and look right and you'll see what I'm trying to tell you. It's possible even a sweep here and then to form a double. Yeah. So on weekly, we didn't close too bullish. On lower time frame, you can see even if the volatility is going out from the market at the moment, it's still possible to trade. We have some nice trades from time to time. Not the best environment for beginners, not a friendly environment to trade day in, day out, but still possible. If you have some experience or if you are following us, well, we can give you some ideas. So that's weekly. You can see confirm bullish divergence here on OBV. I said that multiple times. RSI, I don't like the fact that we accepted back below 50. Potential bullish divergence, but if the market will push lower and will close red this week, then this divergence will be out. We can close below this low and then we don't have anything. For the moment, not too many things we can discuss, we can say about Bitcoin on weekly. Same stuff on Ethereum on weekly. You can see we are in the pump chaser zone here. Similar week to the downside. Okay, initial bounce from 61.8, we bounced. Now we should wait at least in the long reload zone. But if Bitcoin will take the lows and test the liquidity below 49, I think Ethereum could do the same. Level by level thinking, well, we should think long reload zone here, short reload zone here. Actually, short reload zone should be from this level. So, if we'll hit $3,000, I'll hunt for a short idea. If we'll go back down here, I'll try to long here a retest of this week. Level by level. At this point in time, on weekly, maybe not even on daily, we don't have too many things to do. Total market cap is just respecting the price, what you see on Bitcoin. Total 2 similar, and total 3 looks like at least the last two candle looks a bit more looks stronger than the rest. So maybe we'll get lucky this summer, at the end of the summer, and we'll have some pumps. Okay, that's weekly. I don't think we can do too many things on weekly. We should go on daily basis. Let's see what I have here. Well, too many drawings. So you can see short reload zone here. If we'll bounce here we touched already 61.8. If we'll bounce above 60k, I'm expecting to touch the other area here at 64. Okay, we have lower highs, lower lows, but we can form a W on daily here. No? If we'll form a W, the target for the W will be here this time. Not at 61.8, but at 78.6 level. No? If the market will keep dumping, respecting the lower highs and lower lows, Well, you can see candle body lows. You can see 61.8. That's my 54 is my area of interest. 54, 52, give me a W, and okay, I'm bullish. Pretty simple on daily. We are still fighting 60 levels, so in the same time, I give you the short and the long idea, but in the same time, we can tag this 60k level up and down, up and down. That will be ugly for us. Will be nice for some altcoins if Bitcoin will keep ranging here. Indicators, well, you can see here RSI is still below 50. Let's see OBV. OBV is damn weak here. On daily, on weekly, we have bullish divergence already confirmed, but on daily, it's ugly. Look at it. I don't like it. So I could see the market going back down here in the long reload zone. Okay, let's see Bitcoin dominance. I think Bitcoin dominance is looking interesting today. Well, we kind of have aggressive EM, but I said in the weekly crypto review yesterday, accepting below this level will give me a clear and big EM, exactly like I wanted to have here at this area. So let's watch what will happen today. If we'll accept below and we'll have the big EM, that doesn't mean necessarily in the next second we should be bullish on altcoin, but we should hunt long setups, a bit more aggressive. Some of them on daily and 4-hour chart, they are reaching a good location. We had the dump, we had the dead cat bounce, and now we are getting back in that small long reload zone for a bounce, and we can form a big W there. Level by level, nothing we can do more than that. So I'm expecting here to see if we'll accept below or not. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, I was asking, give me a big W, big W. Well, we can get this W. That's a big W. What I don't like, it's just above 61.8. Who knows? Maybe it's a fake out, maybe not. You know what I'm thinking here. I'm thinking lower and then a W. In the long reload zone, that will be a damn good location. Above 61.8, well, not the best scenario. And if we'll zoom out a little bit, we didn't tag this megaphone trend line. This week is not properly retested. We can go lower. Looking left, we should retest properly and stay here in the long reload zone for a longer period of time to consolidate, find the bottom here in the long reload zone, and then push higher. So let's see what will happen. For the moment, it's I don't know, ranging. Let's just tagging 61.8 multiple times. We'll see what will happen. DXY, well, it's in the long reload zone. We lost the 103.5 level. We took it as you can see was support, and now it's resistance. Let's see what will happen here in the long reload zone. We have another support at 100. This one is a bit stronger. If you look left, you'll see well respected in the past. So we can stay here in the long reload zone, consolidate, and then we'll decide if we'll break below 100 or we'll push back above. If they'll start printing, you will see violent moves on DXY. Until then, well, pretty quiet. Morning, Bova. Morning, Bucur. So, overview. Indecision candle on weekly. Daily, acceptable to trade, but not the best scenario to trade here. On the lower time frame, Bitcoin, you can see here we have short reload zone, we have pump chaser zone here, we have long reload zone here, so we have some areas where to look for trades. Now you can see nice bounce here from the pump chaser zone. Didn't give us a nice W, but pumped really nice. This one looks nice. I think we can push back up here. call me crazy. I see a lot of people bearish, but I think we can push here in the short reload zone and from here to dump. I don't trust this this downtrend channel, or this how you want to call it, stepping down. This is not bearish in my book. I want to see the Bitcoin chart here in the long reload zone. That will give me a good location for hunting longs, but in the same time I don't see it yet reaching that area. By the way, we have some news, big news. Wednesday we have FOMC minutes that will move the market. Then Friday we have Powell speaking again. You know, when it's about FOMC, when it's about Powell, dark maul candles everywhere. So maybe we should put an alarm and don't trade in the news. Please don't try to scalp or do high leverage on close to the news, FOMC, Powell, or any other report. You can win, I don't know, 10 times, 100 times, and you need only one time to the market to behave ugly, and an ugly slippage could destroy your account. So I don't see the point to risk your money in the news. I just don't see it. Don't listen to me. Don't do it like me. I learn on my own money, so I don't recommend that. Okay, so here on 4-hour chart, I could see even lower time frame. Okay, let's go on 1 hour, for example, and you can find different levels here. Now let's just put this one aside. You can see you can draw a long reload zone from this low to this high. You have a long reload zone here at 57, 500, and okay, we can think about that. But overall, I just don't see it in the long reload zone. In the same time, here we have a location. Look left, we have some support, and if we'll take this high, for example, on day trading part, and this low, you can see we have a pump chaser zone here. So location, support. I don't see anything special on indicators, but on lower time frame we can form indicator confirmation. What that means, indicators will follow the price action. Not the best indicator confirmation in my book. I prefer bullish divergence, but it's still doable. So Monday morning, I don't suggest you to be too aggressive. I could see a long here. I could see here a long bot forming. In the same time, a retest of this EM could give you a nice short. Yeah, you can see EM breakdown, retest of this EM. I saw Filipina posting this scenario here. So yeah, it's possible. Yeah, I like the idea. The fact that we are here in the pump chaser zone doesn't give me too many options. And Monday, you know, usually is not the best scenario. I'll focus mostly on altcoins because they have a better location than Bitcoin. Okay, let's start with altcoins one by one on 4-hour chart. If you have requests, please type in the chat. I don't know what happened this morning, but I have a headache. Pretty awesome. Okay, so you can see Aevo is trying to get back here and retest this dump. We need a clear W to form a good setup here on 4-hour chart. Yeah, we bounced, we formed some EMs. Now to become bullish again, I need a clear W. Indicators, well, I don't see anything special. So for the moment, Aevo, it's a new coin, okay. We should wait in the long reload zone. Alt, well, this one had a nice pump. You can see pumped, consolidating, pumped again. AB equals CD is completed now. I think similar we can bounce here, but we'll see that if we'll form 3 higher lows. And that will give us a kind of a bot setup, a potential bot here. Yeah? We are at 50%. It's still possible to have a bot. Let's just put the bot levels and see. There you go. So as long as we are above 66, still possible. We have some support here. So if we'll see W's and 3 higher lows, we can think about a bot setup, and we can frame a bot setup. Okay, Bitcoin, no. CRV. Well, on CRV we are trying to form a big M here, as you can see. I'll play, I already scanned it in the morning. I'll play this setup on CRV. I already put the limit order in the market. It's good enough. If we'll dump here, even with a week, I don't need the price to stay there. I just need a week to get me in, and I'll be long. I have CRV on spot, but why not? If it's a trade is possible, why not? Dimension, well, similar. A lot of altcoins look similar with Dimension. You can see pumped, and to decide if it's bullish or not, we should wait at least in the long low zone. We can test the lows, of course, but if we'll see a setup here, we kind of have to take the setup. E-gold, similar. You can see EM. The target for the EM is in the long reload zone. And okay, if we'll get in the long reload zone, it will show me a W. I'm okay with taking that one. Okay, what we have here on Ethereum. I have too many levels here. Too many damn levels. Okay. That's not valid. This is not necessary anymore. Let me clean up a little bit. You can see here. Well, okay, on a lower time frame we can wait. Similar as on Bitcoin, we can wait here for a long. In the same time, we are against a nice W here. So I could see market ranging, Ethereum especially, ranging from this 2700 until 2500, playing around here and SFUing the lows, SFUing the highs, and back in the middle. Now, that will be a clear behavior for the summertime. And you can see 38.2 was well respected. We are bouncing. Similar on higher time frame, I'll prefer 61.8 or exactly this level. Swapping this liquidity here at $2,300, it's not bad. But on lower time frame, we can scalp here, we can play this range. FET, well, some people understood that it's not a good idea to trade FET. It's not so bullish as everyone is expecting. Look at the house level, consolidating this level. It's a new coin and we need a clear bottom. Go and look at this one on higher time frame and you'll understand what I'm saying. They have to find the bottom, and it's not up to me to form that bottom. Yeah? We don't have enough money to form the bottom on FET. So it's not our decision. We should wait for W's on a bigger time frame. Similar here on ING, similar on Joe. You can see we need a clear W the other side of the trend line. I don't know if Pump Chaser Zone will give us at least 1 hour W. I think after all it's a good idea to wait for a long reload zone here. So yeah, Manta, similar. We bounced and we are going sideways. Guys, don't forget, I see a lot of people upset that altcoins are not pumping. The longer the consolidation, the bigger the pump. So if you are on spot, now we are not talking about swing trading, day trading here, but if you are on spot, if you have some bags, keep them. Be patient. Don't, well, it didn't pump 3 months, okay, I'll sell them. Well, you can, you'll do a stupid mistake in my opinion. We are accumulating as much as possible at these levels. If you don't see the potential, well, zoom out and you'll see them. We cannot control when the market will pump, but we have a damn good location and a nice potential to the upside. Some of them, they have more than 100x potential. It's up to you. I'll keep my bags. I could tell you what I'll do. I'll keep my bags and I'll try to add as much as possible. The lower, the better for me. Bit same, Solana. Well, Solana had some volatility and now it's going slowly in in the middle of short reload zone, long reload zone. Is quietly not doing anything. It's staying here at 145. You saw Tron put some Tron Fun or something like that. I don't know, a copy from Pump Fun. So Tron is trying to get some money from that. Justin Son just saw that there are too much money in that in meme coins and he wants some. I posted on DGen channel, so you can look for that. I didn't saw anything special on Tron, but who knows, maybe. Ton, well, you can see here the bot is still valid and this one is still strong. I don't want to bet on the short side on this one. If will stop me out, okay, so be it. I don't have a problem with that. But yeah, we can aim out here, but higher highs, higher lows. Let's see what will happen. If we'll close below $6.30, okay, then we'll have a big jump. But if we'll close above this level, then we have a higher high. So if Bitcoin will stay stable, Ton should pump higher and higher. That's my overview. If you have requests, please type in the chat. I don't see too many people this morning, but it's okay. The public will come when the market will pump. The consistent guys, they'll be here day in, day out. So, nothing more to talk about. Well, if you don't have requests, guys, then we can call it a live stream and we can trade level by level on lower time frame. I think is the best. Stefan posted on VIP a nice short on Ethereum and Bitcoin and it's in profit. I think his target is a bit I think his target is a bit too low. He's trying to maximize, but we'll see. It's Monday. DOT, well, Bukur, I don't know what to say about DOT. It's not doing anything. I scanned the market yesterday and I didn't saw anything special on DOT. Okay. Let's put weekly. Why not? We still have 6 minutes to talk about DOT. Well, what we can discuss about DOT. On weekly basis, we had the pump, which was more than a double, okay-ish, nothing special. And now we dumped in the long reload zone. We are attacking these lows, hold the lows for the moment, but they created equal lows here. So on weekly, I'll prefer a sweep and then a W, but we can get the W without a sweep. If the guy who put the bottom here is strong, will not allow the market to go lower. I don't see anything bullish on weekly basis because I don't see the W. Not even here. We didn't have a proper weekly W. So this is a range. You can see this is a range from 10 to 3.5 or $4. If you want to, dollar cost average is not a bad idea. I know, DOT is gone. Nobody is buying. Nobody is selling. It's not true. You know that. So dollar cost averaging here, not a bad idea. If you want a reversal, sign, I said yesterday a similar thing. Wait for a weekly W. And we don't have that weekly W. Actually, here we don't have a clear weekly W on the entire consolidation. It's good for us, this kind of behavior. Why? Because we can buy low, sell half on a double, reload, and repeat the process as long as possible. That will give us a lot of free coins. But I don't see specifically DOT being bullish here on weekly. I could go on daily. Well, on daily, I don't see a bullish divergence. So we decided that we have a good location. Show me the next condition is bullish divergence. I don't see anything yet. So that makes me think we can test this level and sweep the liquidity here. You can see low, a bit higher low here. So equal lows, increased chances to have a lot of liquidity below, and market makers, they'll hunt that. And then if we'll make a W, okay, we can play that. Or maybe a power of 3, but we need to swap this level. Not even on daily, we don't have a W. Actually, we have higher, lower highs and lower lows. So I don't see anything bullish about DOT Bucur. Yeah. So let's wait. Patience here. I'm not saying that DOT is not worth buying here, or dollar cost averaging. I'm just saying I don't see a setup. I don't see DOT being more bullish than the rest. It's just staying there for the moment, consolidating. SUI, why not? Stefan talked about SUI a lot of times. Too many times, actually. And even kind of the bottom here, there. Well, I have to clean this one. I don't like it. I'll clean the chart. Okay. So that's what we have on SUI here. What I'll do, I'll take this high, low to find the location. Well, we are below 61.8. Not bad. Indicators. Well, kind of okay-ish OBV. Bullish divergence confirmed on RSI, so that's a good sign. But we don't have a weekly W here. So I'll prefer the market to go sideways. And I think the market will go sideways for a longer period of time. So we have a good indication that the market is strong. You can see here. This is a bullish divergence, confirmed already. So we have location and we have a bullish divergence on RSI, on weekly. On daily, we had a pump and dump, or a pump and probably a dump from my perspective. They had some news. Good news, but you know how they go. So even if this is the bottom and it's still bullish, I still need to wait in the long reload zone here. On daily, we can form 3 higher lows and we can play a bot setup, AB equals CD, or we can wait here in the long reload zone. You can see this candle needs a retest. So 2 scenarios here. AB equals CD. But we don't have enough reasons to think that for the moment. We are trying to make a W. Or we can wait here in the long reload zone and then make a double and then pump. Let's see if it's strong. Okay, we'll W out, we'll form 3 higher lows on 4-hour chart, and then we can think about bot setup. Not a bad window of risk here. If you know that they have some news again or they have something really bullish, you can try your chances here. Small window of risk. You can see the market price, it's 84 cents, and the low where you should put your stop loss, it's at 80 cents. Not bad. Not bad. You have a trade here, but that's a swing trade, is nothing more than that. On higher time frame, you should wait for a clear setup. Okay, let's put something like this. There you go. So let's assume this is the bottom. We have some W's, Okay. Short reload zone should be our target for the taking the profit. Okay, this is the W. Pretty simple. It's easy to trade. It's hard to respect the process and the risk management, but to trade is not hard. Look at this. We have a 2.7, acceptable. We can push a bit higher, who knows. But here I'll prefer, you can see the W's, I will prefer the breakout and the retest. That will be my entry, not to enter at the breakout. If it's not strong enough, we can go slowly bleeding to the downside without doing the breakout and the retest, and that will keep me out of the my problems. I will not take the trade, I will not lose the money. So, at the retest here, not at the breakout. Hope that helps. On higher time frame, daily and weekly, we have a good location. We have some bullish divergence. We should wait for a W, Ashram. Okay, it's time for me to close the live stream and go and hopefully find some setups on VIP with Stefan and maybe make some money. Yeah, see you guys in the New York session if you are premium, or tomorrow with the same live stream if you are general members. If you want to join us on Discord, you have the link in the description. Join us, ask to be verified, and from there you'll find out more about Crypto Traders Arena. Okay, see you guys. Don't forget it's Monday. Don't sell your house. Don't bet the farm, like they say on a trade. Bye bye.